Jay Noble. I've been with NTT. I'm responsible for their Salesforce practice, primarily for all of North America. Being a big systems integrator, we are responsible for helping clients essentially solve a myriad of problems. We use an enabling technology to do that, Salesforce. We always try and take a business-first approach of helping a company, client of any type solve a particular business problem rather than just slap in some technology. We deal with a number of different clients at a number of different stages in their particular journey along not only the technology, but the process in their business. And what we were finding is that the clients and the organizations that we dealt with really didn't have a good understanding of what they had. And they were looking to us to come in and solve problems without the benefit of actual full and complete knowledge. So we would go in with either spreadsheets and questions and make some assumptions, and we're really lacking the actual truth, the hardcore truth of what they have. So what Elements allowed us to do was come in and do a very quick, very tight, fact-based analysis of their instance and help them understand what they've got, why they've got it. And then, as we like to say, we need to help our clients get to where they're going, and you can't get to where you're going unless you know where you are. And that's one of the things that Element brought to the table for us. We've integrated the Elements platform into our business, kind of from soup to nuts, because we have moved originally from a more staff aug-oriented business model. So what we've really done is said, okay, we need to take a snapshot, a point in time of where you are. We're able to do that in an accelerated way. And instead of going in with a 6-week assessment, we can go in with a 2-week assessment. So there's adding value to the client just in being able to do things more quickly. The other piece of value is, again, it's fact-based, it's data-based. We can go in and say, you may think you only have, 4 customized opportunity types, but you have 43. Worst case, we found an organization that had over 200 different opportunity types. So that's the first thing of why Elements makes a difference and why we're integrating it in kind of top to bottom. Then we can start to take that data and those insights and then move that into our implementation process and then be able to take ongoing snapshots, but then build in all the documentation capabilities and a way to manage the program on an ongoing basis. It forms that kind of layer of truth. We've seen a number of significant improvements in the organizations that we serve. One client that I'm thinking of, we were able to save probably 50% on the upfront initial analysis and insight. Anytime you go into a company that's starting with either a new implementation or re-implementation, there's always this upfront, call it discovery, call it analysis. Those typically run from anywhere on the very light side, maybe 2 to 4 weeks, to more significant, maybe 8 to 12 weeks. We're able to cut that time in half regardless, because we do all the upfront analysis, we understand what the org is, we can infer lots of information about process, see what the upstream and downstream implications are. So we're seeing massive benefit just in that. We're also seeing about a 25 to 30% reduction in rework, because we're able, again, to go back to this is what the org was, this is at this point in time, we can run this now and see, are we making the right choices? Are we solving the right problems in the right way in the right time? When I came on board, we were originally viewed more as a staffing firm. Can you give me a body here? Can you give me a body there? What's your rate per hour? That was a very commoditized approach. So we needed a way of changing the dialogue and changing the conversation we had with our clients. Elements provided us that in spades, because we were able to go in and say, even if a client asks us for a person, I just need an architect, I just need a developer, we were able to go, great, we can help you do that, but let us analyze your infrastructure, analyze your organization, just to make sure that we can point this individual in the right direction. And it really changed the conversation with our clients, and we're now viewed as advisory capable rather than just a staffing firm. This isn't about selling software or selling services. This is about helping our clients realize more benefit out of their investments and getting truly to a better place, and allowing our clients to realize that benefit more quickly. Elements gives us an amazingly efficient and effective way of understanding the current reality. I love working with the Elements team, full stop.